Welcome to another video. In this video, I am going to discuss about numerical on properties of steam. The given problem is determine how much of heat is to be supplied in order to convert 5 kg of water at 20 degrees centigrade into steam at 8 bar and 200 degrees centigrade. Specific heat of water and specific heat of steam is given. We need to convert 5 kg of water at 20 degrees centigrade to a steam at 8 bar and 200 degrees centigrade. We need to determine how much of heat is to be supplied for that. First thing is that we need to note down the values from the steam table. So this is the steam table. At 8 bar, we can note down the enthalpy of water, enthalpy of evaporation and enthalpy of dry saturated steam. Let's tabulate them. The given condition of steam is at 8 bar and 200 degrees centigrade. When we compare the temperature of the steam, that is 200 degrees centigrade, with the saturation temperature, that is 170.43, we find that the condition of the steam is superheated steam. So we know how to calculate the enthalpy for the superheated steam. That is H super is equal to enthalpy of dry saturated steam plus specific heat at constant temperature for the steam multiplied by temperature of the superheated steam minus the saturation temperature. From the table we can write down it is 2767.4 plus 2.1 into 200 degree minus 170.43. So if we calculate this one, it comes out to be 2829.56. This is kilojoules per kg. So we need to note the one point here, important point, that is all the values which are given in a steam table all are pertaining to 1 kg of water at 0 degrees centigrade. But the problem is here the water is already at 20 degrees centigrade. So hence we need to calculate the enthalpy of water at 20 degrees centigrade. So which is nothing but specific heat of the water multiplied by the temperature, that is 20. So here is given is 4.187 multiplied by 20. It comes out to be 83.74 kilojoules per kg. So in order to convert the steam, we need enthalpy, that is enthalpy required to convert 1 kg of water from 20 degrees centigrade to a superheated steam of 200 degree centigrade is nothing but which is a difference between the enthalpy of superheated steam minus the enthalpy of water. So here it is 2829.5 minus 83.74, so which comes out to be 2745.82 kilojoules. In the problem, the water is given as 5 kg. So for 5 kg, the heat required is nothing but 5 into 2745.82 13729.1 kilojoules. So in this way, so in order to convert 5 kg of water from 20 degrees centigrade to a steam at 8 bar and 200 degrees centigrade is 13729.1 kilojoules. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly subscribe my YouTube channel and visit website kdedutech.in for more such type of interesting videos and many online courses for engineering students. Thank you once again.